Hello sushi lovers family. Today I'm gonna show you how to make mango sushi roll. I have here nori seaweed. They are also have two side, shiny side and the rock side. Rock side we have to place the sushi rice. Normally I love to use 100 grams sushi rice for the sushi roll. I will use thumb and second finger to place sushi rice upstairs and downside, okay, like this, and second finger will help to put the rice down. Yes, I place the sushi rice and now I gonna flip it. Now I'm gonna place the ingredients. Firstly we put the egg omelette. This is Japan called tabango, and place cucumber also. And now give 2-piece crab stick. Now I'm gonna roll it. For the sushi rolling technique, always rub one finger here in the bamboo mat, so it will be easy to roll it. You can take out the bamboo sheet. Bamboo mat is your thumb finger and second finger we secure the all ingredients. Now you can start to roll it again. Pick up, roll and shape. And you can put press here to make equal side. Now you can dress up some sweet mango on the outside. Yes, my mango sushi roll is ready. I will cut it middle. I want to make it 8 pieces. We can do plating like this. So this is my yummy mango sushi roll and serve with milk cream sauce.